Hello, welcome to Aesthetic Rover. Today we are going to explore Pondicherry, and if you are planning a trip, this vlog is your ultimate guide. And about the place, this place is very close to my heart. I am a mountain person, and this was my first encounter with the ocean. So do watch till end and subscribe the channel. Let's get started. So the first place is Rock Beach. Unlike sandy beaches, this beach has more of rocky shores and waves crash beautifully. You can spend a lot of time here. This beach is very much famous with locals. People do jogging, yoga, morning walks here. So yeah, you can check this one. And the next place which you should not miss is Pichavaram Mangrove Forest. This is one of the beautiful places in Pondicherry. Just imagine cruising through narrow waterways surrounded by thick green mangroves. It's just another level of feeling. If you're lucky enough, you can also spot some peacocks. I will suggest if you can rent a two-wheeler, definitely take the ride to this place because it has scenic views. It's around 60 kilometers from Pondicherry, but yeah, this is worth the ride. And this is second largest mangrove forest in the world. The next most famous stretch in Pondicherry is Promenade Beach. This beach runs about 1.5 kilometers, and along the way, you will see iconic landmarks like Gandhi statue, French War Memorial, and even a lighthouse. It's a long stretch, so you can park your vehicle anywhere, wherever you like, and pick a spot and chill around. The vibe is very good. I used to think that Pondicherry is mostly about beaches. Then I came across this hidden gem, which is Osteri Lake, also known as Osudu Lake. It's on the outskirts of Pondicherry and famous for bird watching. This is the largest lake in Pondicherry. And the next one is Oroville Beach, which is close to Oroville Town. This is a less commercialized place as compared to Promenade Beach. You get to see golden sands and clear water. And when you're coming to Pondicherry, you should not miss the Matri Mandir. This is a unique experiment in sustainable and spiritual living. It is basically known for its eco-friendly practices, organic farming, agriculture, handmade crafts, and much more. So do visit this one. Now, finally, the surfing hub of Pondicherry, which is Serenity Beach. In this beach, you get to see fishing boats, surfer boats, and fishing villages also nearby. This is also very good beach with golden sand stretch. So yeah, check it out. This is Junambar Boat House, and you can reach this place with your private vehicle. And even if you don't know about this place and you are just roaming around in Pondicherry, or some random people will approach you, they will give you their card to reach this place. Now, the specialty about this boat house is that this is the gateway to one of Pondicherry's most stunning spots, that is Paradise Beach, which is situated over an island. So after reaching this boat house, you will park your vehicle there and further take a boat ride, which takes around 15 to 20 minutes, passing through lush mangrove forest and calm waterways. You can see over there white stream, that is the ocean. finally, the boat will drop you at the Paradise Beach, and this is how the ocean welcomes you over here. This is a less commercialized compared to city beaches, and this is a plastic free zone. People encourage you not to use plastic. About the place, the view is amazing, and there are also some shacks and restaurants, so you can enjoy some food here. This island has blue water and it's very clear, so you can definitely enjoy. There are also some water activities over here like jet ski, banana ride, kayaking. It depends on the season, and it's your wish for how long you want to spend your time over here, because there are some certain timings the ferry or back takes you back to the city. So you can check on the Google regarding the timings and plan your day accordingly. I will recommend you to spend most time over this beach because this is very scenic and very clean. So that was my journey through Pondicherry. Have you been here yet? If yes, please drop your favorite memory in the comment box. I will share all the details with you guys in the description box. And there are many other places which we have visited. You can also take a walk around French colony, for which I have shared some photos as I could not capture a video. This is totally based on French architecture and you will love the vibe. This is popular among Instagrammers or YouTubers. So that was about it, and I will see you in the next vlog. Please subscribe and keep traveling.